Hey everybody, so it's 65. Just so you know, I am almost done fixing up my Magnatron robot. Let's see, I started at 3, no, well, yeah, 3, 4, 5, 6. It took me 4 hours to fix this robot, but I resoldered everything, cleaned up everything, and now he should be good. Here, let me give you one last look. So you can see all of that. You see? Taped it. I'm gonna make him use three AAA batteries. So yeah, I've tested with three AAAs, and he actually works pretty well with them too. I just don't want to make him too heavy so that he can walk. Since if I make him too heavy and give him the D's, he's gonna not be able to walk. Also, I forgot to mention to you guys, Bill sent me the flag and it's in his hands. Like, yeah, go America. I'm gonna try to find a Mexico flag so I can put it in his hand instead. Well, I do love America, but I want to give him a Mexico flag. So right now what I'm trying to do is to put this through here. See, so since I don't want these wires to come out, squished. Let's do like that. See, one thing I need to do, one thing is I gotta adjust the arms. Okay. Okay then, making sure everything's in place. Now it's time to reassemble him. Okay, I'm not gonna pull the wire too much. Can't wait to test him out. Hope he doesn't fail me though. Because if he does, I'll be very sad. But I highly doubt it. I have faith in this robot that he will not fail me. These. Now I gotta get the screws. So excited. I was gonna try and make him original, but instead the only thing that's not gonna be original from him, oh darn, is pretty much the battery thing and all. Because I know that if I give him like the D batteries and all, he's gonna be, well actually he doesn't use D, he actually uses C batteries. Because at first I was like, D batteries, that would kind of be the reason why they don't walk too well in some of the videos I've seen of these robots. I know I rewired everything correctly. Okay, let's switch it on. The good thing is you can also push its head down too. So, I'm done. Have them all together now. Also, I changed the wheels. I know I said on my last video, but I literally did. See? I'll show you his old wheels. Again, the cell did not mention to me, but I'm not gonna give him any like bad feedback. I never do. See? Flat. 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 And last, flat. Yeah, all these were flat. So yeah. Well, now I gotta find a new back compartment. After this, I have to clean up everything. And yeah. See. Darn, I forgot that was in there like that. Then the other one that has an identical battery pack. that's one thing I hate. I always have to remember where I put those other parts. Because I really want to test him. So excited. They most likely plan to be the only thing I didn't want is take out the battery compartment for my gun since that one's modified. But I have a feeling I may have no choice. Since I need something to fit in it. And I'm not using a 9 volt, the rectangular battery kind. Okay. I wish I knew where I left it. By the time I end up using something else, I find it. Wait, I wonder if with 2 AAAs and 2 AA's would work under. Oh, there it is. Can. Hey, is he off? Yeah, he's off. Good. And this is all good. I'm gonna keep this 2 AA battery pack and use it on him instead. Till I buy him a new battery pack. Okay then. He's ready. Let's go try him out. First time I hope this one works well. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna have to figure out something then. Okay then. The moment we have all been waiting for. Let's go. Todd. It's not doing anything. I know for 100%. I literally put everything back how it was. Fail on me, come on. Kidding me? I didn't do something right though.